Toys R Us showcased a groundbreaking AI-created promo at the 2024 Cannes Lions Festival. Partnering with Native Foreign, they used OpenAI's new text-to-video tool, Sora, to produce a 66-second film. The promo tells the story of founder Charles Lazarus, inspired by the brand's mascot, Geoffrey the Giraffe. Reactions were mixed, with some praising its creativity and others finding it eerie. Despite Sora's capabilities, the project required significant human input for fine-tuning. Kim Miller of Toys R Us emphasized the importance of hands-on experience with AI. The brand plans to use this innovative technology in future advertising, especially during the holiday season. Sora's official release is anticipated later this year, potentially revolutionizing digital entertainment. Subscribe to Exponential Africa for more.